Stretch, landing and finishing shapes. So I'm going to ask both of the gymnasts to lift their arms up above your head. If you could turn sideways for me, please. Okay, so we're looking for a lovely stretch shape with our bottoms tucked under, our tummies nice and tight, and you should be able to see a straight line from the fingertips to the heels. Excellent, this is exactly what we're looking for. This is what you want. Now if you'd like to turn it slightly for me, please, and show us a landing shape. So bring your feet a little bit further apart, so a bit more like shoulder width, and then land. Imagine you're sitting on a high stool, back's nice and straight, chin's up, chest up, and then finish by stretching tall. Excellent. So we're going to hold our landing shape and hold that landing shape. 1, 2, and finish 3. So every time you land any of your shapes or jumps, or if you're finishing things, you need to hold this shape. Hold it, and off you go. Hold 1, 2, remember this timing, and finish 3.